Look to the heavens. On January 25th, 2025, a rare event will unfold, a celestial dance billions of years in the making. The planets of our solar system will align, forming a breathtaking line in the night sky, a phenomenon we call planetary alignment. Imagine standing on Earth, witnessing the universe's precision clockwork as 5 planets, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, line up, joined by the thin crescent of the Moon. This isn't just a scientific marvel, it's a reminder of our place in the cosmos, a fleeting moment that connects us to the vastness of space. But why does this happen? Planetary alignments occur when the planets orbit to roughly the same side of the Sun, appearing in close proximity when viewed from Earth. While it's not a perfectly straight line, the alignment is close enough to create a dazzling spectacle. These alignments are rare, often separated by decades or even centuries, depending on the configuration. To the unaided eye, the planets will look like luminous jewels scattered across the sky, but perfectly placed, as if by design. Venus will blaze brightest, Mars will shimmer red, and Jupiter will stand as a giant among them. Saturn, with its soft golden hue, completes the masterpiece. For centuries, alignments like this have inspired myths, fueled astronomical discoveries, and sparked humanity's imagination. This alignment isn't just a visual treat, it's a moment to ponder the universe's grand orchestration. What secrets does it still hold? What stories will future civilizations tell of this night? Mark your calendars, set your alarms, and step outside. On January 25, 2025, the cosmos invites you to witness its choreography, a fleeting masterpiece written across the sky.